Hello and welcome to Win Agriculture Machines, the channel where we show you the most amazing and innovative machines that are transforming the world of agriculture. The Deer 5820 is a carrot harvester with great optimization. It is equipped with a small harvester arm to lift the carrots and pass them through a blade to remove the stem and leaves, leaving only the stem of the carrot. The carrots are then collected into the bin and the machine can harvest hundreds of kilograms per day. The Oxbow 2475 corn harvester is designed like a hand, acting as an open hand to collect everything within its reach. After the harvest, everything is transported to the locomotive, where the stalks are separated and the cobs are kept and placed in a container. Corn is quickly harvested in large fields. The Homer Exact Sugar Beet Harvester is responsible for quickly gathering a bunch of beets and loading them onto a truck. It uses double helical conveyors to create a central pile and feed the beets into the conveyor system. The conveyor system can be up to 12 m long. The fastest harvesting capacity is 300 kg/min. Thanks to this machine, piles of sugar beets are efficiently stored in the truck's trunk. This is a robot machine called Ferrari Futura Autoplanter, manufactured by Ferrari Company. This is an automatic seeding version with 5 robots. The distance between the robots is 60 cm, making it possible for the machine to sow seeds and grow crops on a large area. With advanced technology such as automatic soil recognition and planting hole digging, this product allows us to quickly process large amounts of soil and thousands of crops with 5 robots. Moreover, it is suitable for many crops. This tractor is equipped with the Kongsskilde FCT 1260 mechanism, the most popular grass harvester in the Netherlands for dairy farming. It can quickly suck a large amount of grass and crush it quickly. With a small design equipped with a suction motor block of up to 500 newtons, it helps to suck up to 200 kg/min of grass. Did you find this machine useful? These are some of the futuristic agriculture machines that are next level. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about these amazing machines. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching Agriculture Machines.